Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video, I'm giving you guys an update on Square. They just released their Q4 22 results. They also released some news about investing more money into Bitcoin. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn about investing and finance. So the 27th January, that's when I released the video. So it went up 36%, then it dropped down to 14%. So not doing too bad. Square buys 170 million worth of Bitcoin on the February of 23. I do think this is good news because they believe in the future of Bitcoin. So back in 2020, they invested 50 million in Bitcoin. That gives them roughly 220 million worth of Bitcoin in total assets, which is 5% of their total assets. I think this investment will increase their revenue because if Bitcoin increases, their revenue will also increase. When people buy or sell Bitcoin through their Cash App, they'll make money, which will increase their revenue. This released the Q4 22 results. They estimated EPS of 24 cents, but they beat that to 32 cents by 0.08 cents, so that's good. Q4 2020 they had 804 million in gross profit. This was a 52% year-over-year growth, so that's good. Here they have a 377 million gross profit in their Cash App. This was a decrease from Q3. They still have 162% year-over-year growth. Is 294 million in Q4, so that's good. Look at this year-ended column. So the total net revenue is nearly 9.5 billion, so that's good. We can see 3.2 billion of the revenue is from transactions, 1.5 billion is from subscriptions, 91 million in hardware revenue. Basically 50% of the revenue is from Bitcoin. I do see this growing as they just invested more into Bitcoin. So we see in 2019 they had 1.8 billion in gross profit. In 2020 they had 2.7 million in gross profit, so that's a good increase. So we're now going to look at their balance sheet. So in 2020 they nearly have 10 billion in total assets, which is a huge increase from 2019. So we see down here they have total liabilities of 7 billion. Their assets are more than their liabilities, so that is a good thing. They have 2.5 billion in long-term debt, but we see here in cash they have total cash of 3 billion, so they have more than enough cash to pay off this debt, so that's a good thing. To take a look at their cash flows, so we can see here they have 381 million from operating activities, which was a decrease from 2019. We scroll down, they used 606 million cash in investing activities such as Bitcoin purchases, for example. They have 2.3 billion in cash from financing activities, so that's good. Brings them to a total of 3.2 billion in cash. Square has a very strong cash flow statement. Square has strong fundamentals. They have a strong cash flow statement. They have a strong balance sheet. They have tons of cash to pay off their debt, so that's good. They have a good income statement. They have increased their revenues over the years. They have increased their revenues rapidly throughout 2019 to 2020, so I do think that's a good thing. If people keep buying Bitcoin off their Cash App and Bitcoin increases, this can be huge for this company because Bitcoin is just another way that Square makes money. We're going to look at some price targets. Square has a price target of $74.89, which is a 21% upside from its current price, so that's good. They have a high of $380 and a low of $160, so that's not looking too bad. They have 18 buys, 11 holds, and 2 sells, so that's good. We have 1 analyst who rates this as a hold. We have 1 who rates this as a sell. We have 3 who rates this as a buy. We have 1 analyst called Dan Dolev who rates this as a buy. They have a price target of $380, which is really good. What is ARK Invest doing with Square? They made 2 trades yesterday. So yesterday they purchased 165,000 shares, and they also purchased 534,000 shares, so that is good. What this means is that if you believe in the company, then use these dips as a buying opportunity. How would I invest $1,000 in this company? $1,000 is just an example. You can invest how much you want. So currently down 4.21% on a day. On the week it's down 17.45%. On the month it's up 32%. On the year it's still up 196%. When market opens, put your first 250 no matter the price, because we believe in this company long term. Then on Monday if it drops to 222, put your next 250 on this. And then on Tuesday if it drops to 217, put your next 250 on this. And then on Wednesday if this drops to 210, put your last 250 on this. So once you average down, we ride this back up to its highs. The reason we average down is because we have to have cash on hand to buy these dips. I do think this year this stock could hit $300. long term, 5 years plus, this stock could easily be a $500 to $1,000 stock. 220 million in Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin crashes, this could come straight down to $150. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video so my videos go out to a large audience, so more people can learn investing and finance. So from me, hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.